One of the benefits of spreadsheets or all you need notebooks is they let you construct AI workflows out of HTML and JavaScript. So it makes it very easy to extend them with a little web development. And that's what I'm going to demonstrate today. We're going to be building this smart cover letter builder. So you enter a job description, a resume, it'll analyze the match between the resume and the job description, let you know if they're not a fit. Then it'll create an outline that is then going to be used to generate a cover letter. Okay, let's get started. Let's go to Spreadsheets Are All You Need Notebooks. I'm going to hit Export, and I'm going to work on this locally. So again, these are just runnable HTML files. You can just double-click them, and they'll open. So here's my local version. I'm going to open up DevTools. And the first thing we need to do is we need to get the job description and the resume. Now, there is a input step that we can use to capture input from the user, but it's painful to put a full multi-page or multi-line resume or job description in this. So we're going to extend notebooks with just simple HTML to get those inputs. So let's go to the Elements panel. I'm just going to add a job description text area. I'll give it the ID, job description, and then text area, and then resume will be similar. In fact, we'll just copy and paste. Call this resume and change that to resume. And then let's take a look. There we go. And I will grab this hypothetical job posting that ChatGPT came up with and this hypothetical resume. Okay. Next, we need to take our job description and resume and make them available to Spreadsheets Are All You Need steps. Now, normally when you create a step, you can talk to the AI and ask it about a previous step by just using addressing. Create a cover letter from and then it'll let me take new prompt, which is the thing up here. But these are just bare HTML text areas. So we need to turn them into variables that can then be accessed. So I'm going to do that by creating a code step. I'll say populate variables. And then what we want the code to do is set the global variable job description equal to the contents of the text area job description with the same ID. And then we'll copy and paste that, and we're going to do the same thing for resume, and let's drag that so it's easier to read. And then we'll run this step. Okay, now it ran, and we can go here into console. We can see job description has been populated, and we can see resume has been populated as well. Okay, so now we can build out the rest of our workflow. So we'll create a new prompt step and say, identify the alignment. Expand this so it's easier to read. Identify the alignment between the skills in the resume and job requirements. So we'll use a little markdown and job description here. Now, one of the nice things about this prompt is it's going to be evaluated as a JavaScript literal before it gets passed to the LLM. So this is where I can pull in those global variables. I can just say job description. And then here I can say resume. But I want to emphasize, this is going to be evaluated just like a JavaScript literal. You can put any type of expression in here, not just variable names. So it makes it very flexible and very easy to use. So we'll send this to the AI. And let's see what we get back. While we're doing that, we're going to add a new prompt step, and we'll call this create structure. And we didn't name our previous one. So we call this analyze match. There we go. And here's its assessment of the alignment and match. Now, this is a lot of text. So maybe we want to make this easier to read and just say, if it is a fit, briefly outline why, and if not, say no fit. And then for create structure, we'll say build a targeted outline highlighting the strengths of the candidate in the resume and for job description for use in a cover letter. Let's open this up and say, grab these from before. And we can send that to the AI. And then we'll create our next step, which is to generate the cover letter. Craft a compelling cover letter for the resume and job description in at create structure, and we can send that to the AI. And then we can wait. Now, you might wonder, why don't we just ask it to just create the cover letter right from step one? And the benefit of having this outline is it gives us a point of leverage. If there's something in the analysis of the AI we want to change, like maybe it highlights something we don't want to highlight, or maybe it missed something that we want to call out, it can be very easy to go in here, remove something like this, hit save, and then regenerate the entire letter without having to craft the language directly. Okay, here's our cover letter. And now what we can do is we can export this as its own file, and we now have a reusable prompt template for generating cover letters for a job description and a resume that you can share and use with anyone as long as they've got a OpenAI key. So that demonstrates how you can extend spreadsheets or all you need notebooks just by using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you go inside the GitHub repository, there is another file, interactive, that shows the same type of thing with tables of data. So here is simple slider widget with JavaScript that as you drag it, you change the profit margin and you can see the data updating dynamically. So hopefully those examples give you a sense of how easy it is to extend these notebooks and customize them for almost any use case just using familiar web development tools. Thank you.